So after all this unboxing, here we are. The pot has arrived with all this packaging. Well, let's get started. Here we go. I don't know the camera angle in this. I'm recording this without my hand. I don't even have a stand, you know. I'm already kind of psyched about this. Let's try to open this first. I'm not even using a knife. I don't know why. But, well, let's try to open this without using a knife. By using our mind, I guess. Let's search where this tape starts. I think it starts around here. This is a abysmal package. Let's try to get this through. Well guys, just so you know what we're upgrading here from, this is a budget, not a gaming keyboard, a membrane keyboard with backlit, and here is the mouse and the mouse pad. I got speakers, and even if I do anything, that is out of the way. So this is the PC I use. Well, we are going to be upgrading this to a black and red. Let's go. The manual. So we have the manual here. We gotta look inside it to see what page requires what function plus what. Let's just look at this section. What is that? Volume up, volume down. I can see this. So function introduction, plug and play interface, no need driver and software. I know this thing. Well, left Windows key and app were locked. Breathing FN plus home. Yeah, I see it. FN plus home. FN and where? Here's home. So the breathing effect is now online. Well, this looks pretty cool. It would look even better in the nighttime, but it is day right now, so this is what we have to go through. Well, you will see this in something. I have no idea what though. This is my first time unboxing anything, so it might be a bit wrong. Forgive me for that, and till the next time, see you.